Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you a strategy that I recently started to use on Michael Freeman binary option group, and I decided to do some tutorial on how to apply the setting for this strategy. Today I'm going to teach you how to use it on an uptrend. So let's get started. As you can see right now, I'm on a Euro USD hourly chart. And if you saw my last video on Michael Freeman YouTube channel on the Euro USD strategy, you already familiar with the 60 EMA that I use to identify the direction of the trend. Now, this strategy is kind of continuation to the previous one. In addition to the 60 EMA that I mostly use, I'm going to add a price action indicator that called Fibonacci retracement. Now, as you can see, I'm working with the freestockcharts.com. It's totally free charting online platform. And I'll show you how to add this tool to the chart. On Freestock chart, you have on the left-hand side, as you can see here, it's called Fibonacci retracement. I press it, and to identify the A point on an uptrend, you want to look for the lowest point below the 60 EMA, and the B point is going to be the highest point above the 60 EMA. So as you can see here, it's an obvious up move, so I take the Fibonacci from bottom to top and draw it. Now once we added this Fibonacci, you see immediately that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 levels were added to our chart. Now the 23.6, the 38.2, the 50, the 61.8, and the 100. Now for today, we're only going to focus on the 61.8, which is the golden ratio Fibonacci level. Now, once you drew the line, you want to wait for a retracement to the downside and for the price to reach the 61.8. Now, let's act like we are trading live. So you found your lowest point and the highest point of the up move, and then the price is retracing and kind of playing around, and around here, around this point, it touched and closed a little bit above the 61.8. Now we are on the hourly chart, which means that we're going to trade for the long term from 2 hours all the way to up to end of day. So in this point, we're opening a call trade, whether for 2 hours all the way till the end of the day, and as you can see, it went our way and ended up deep in the money, whether for 2 hours call or end of day. That was our first entry for a call on this up move. Now, whenever this up move creates a new highest point, you just move the B point, the highest point, to the new highest level. So in this case, you're moving it 1 day later to this new highest point. Now, you have the option additionally on an uptrend to trade the reversal, which means you can even trade puts on an uptrend. How you do it? There is a reversal pattern that's called double top. Now, what double top means is whenever you have a highest point and the price retraces from it, it created high. Now, on double top, it's literally two highs, double highs, that are on the exact same level. Now, this is one high, for example, and this is the second high, but as you can see, they are not on the exact same level. This is higher significantly than this one. But on this new highest point that this uptrend created, we saw this is one top, and a few hours later, maybe a day later, it created the exact top again. So we drew a resistance line here just for us to see, but you can enter this trade for a put right when it created the second top. So the opening of the on the following candle, you can enter a put again from 2 hours till the end of day, because we are on the 1 hour chart. So from this point, obviously it won for 2 hours, and all the way till the end of the day, it won both. Now, let's see what's happening here. Price here almost retraced to the 50, but we're not looking on the 50, we're looking on the 61.8. Here, price touched the 61.8, and then coming back down. If you would have entered here for a call, we're expecting that, I'm sorry, here on this candle, we're expecting that in the following 1 hour it will go up for 2 hours, and if not for 2 hours, at least till the end of the day. Now we're on December 23rd right now, so it's the last day of the year, so it probably must act weird because it's going to be the last hours, last trading hours of the year, but the principle is the same. And to sum things up, to find the point A of the Fibonacci and the point B, you just look for some up move that crossed the 60 EMA from bottom to top. Take your first lowest point of the up move and the second highest point and the highest point of the up move, and just drew from bottom to top the Fibonacci retracement tool. Now for this strategy, I recommend you to look only on the 61.8. I know it might take some time, but this one, it's the golden ratio. It's more likely to reverse and continue the trend, from this point. As for puts, you must wait for double tops, and with double tops I mean not like double top like here, both are not on the same level. I mean on tops that are exactly on the same level as you saw here. Kind of created a ceiling, down, up, up again and down, and on the following candle you entered for puts, whether end of day of the hourly chart or the next 2 hours, you can choose. So this is the EUR/USD Fibonacci retracement strategy on an uptrend. I'll come back later and teach you the downtrend strategy, which is kind of similar. But for now, I wish you a happy new year, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye bye.